Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. In every life, some rain may fall. There's no rhyme or reason for it all. Just know that God has a master plan, and it is all in His hand. April showers brings May flowers. If it had not been for the good times, or should I say the bad times, how would one know when it's good? Praise while in the mess. Every day is not meant to be sunny. And every day is not meant to be rainy either. Thank God for the good times and thank God for the bad. For it all has made you who you are today. We have some good days. We have some hills to climb. Some lonely days and some sleepless nights. But when I look around and I think things over, I can't complain. All of my good days, my bad days, have turned into some good days. This life is not meant to be easy. It's meant to build character. It's meant to build a person with resilience, strength, beauty, inner, outer. It's meant to build you. I have to tell myself that sometimes, time and time again, as we are faced with, I don't even want to say adversity, with trials and tribulations, with unrealized opportunities, when we think we're not where we need to be, when we think we are not where God wants us to be. Just breathe. Just breathe. It is not your plan. It's God's plan. And it's all in His hands. And what capable hands they are. What capable hands they are. Just leave it there. Leave it there and praise in the midst. Praise in the midst. As praises go up, blessings will surely come down. Yes, it's always sunny after the night. Rain does not last forever. Your joy will come in the morning. But your morning and my morning, different. It may not take a day or two or three for that matter. But have faith and know that joy will come in the morning. But if you're waking up and you feel a sense of happiness, contentment, praise, you didn't have a sleepless night, You got some peace, and you are actually where you want to be. Thank God. Thank God. And even if you're not, thank God. Thank God because you rose. Have a blessed day. Eve's World. Imperfect perfection.